Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you some proven strategies to fix the zero views problem on TikTok in 2024. Let's get started. First things first, let's ensure there's no issue with the account. Sometimes TikTok might shadow ban accounts for violating community guidelines. Open TikTok and tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the settings. Navigate to account, then account status. Make sure there are no violations or restrictions. If you find any issues, report them to TikTok support by going to support and report a problem. If everything looks good with the account, let's move on to optimizing your content and profile. Your profile is like your digital business card. Make sure it's appealing and clearly defines your niche. Use a high quality profile picture and write a catchy bio that includes relevant keywords related to your content. Link your other social media accounts to build credibility and drive traffic. After your profile is optimized, let's ensure your content is set up for success. Creating engaging content is key. Here's how to make your videos more discoverable. Use a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags. Tools like TikTok Creative Center can help you find trending hashtags. Ensure your videos are clear and well lit. TikTok's algorithm favors high-quality content. Write captions that encourage viewers to engage, like asking questions or prompting them to comment. But it's not just about creating content, it's also about engaging with your audience. TikTok values interactions. Engage with your viewers to boost your visibility. Regularly reply to comments on your videos to increase engagement. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to reach a wider audience. Going live can boost your visibility and help you connect with audience in real time. Lastly, consistency is key. Aim to post at least once a day. Consistent posting keeps your audience engaged and helps with the algorithm. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your TikTok reviews. Remember, growth takes time, so be patient and keep experimenting. That's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.